how to add multiple reels on Instagram. So if you want to add multiple reels, then first of all open up your Instagram application, and here you can simply go to your profile, which is on the bottom right, and here on the upper right corner you will have a create option, or on the bottom middle also you will have that create option. You can go for any one of that, and then here you will have an option of reel, post, stories, highlight, live, guide, and add, right? So this is for the business account. You may have limited options on your private account. So simply choose the reel option, and now you can select a video, a small video, and after selecting so now you can simply take a video right now, or you can also upload a video. And after taking that, and after taking one video, you can again add another video or take another video, and then stop that, and then you can again take another video, and in the same way you can add multiple reels. So make sure that your reel is small, like for 15 seconds. If you have a 15 seconds video, then your 4 to 5 videos will be on that reel. So make sure that your videos are small, in a small quantity. But if your videos are like for 2 minutes or 3 minutes, then you won't have an option to add multiple videos. So simply choose small limited videos, and then you can go for next. And if you want to again add some clips from here, you can have the add clip option, which is on the bottom left, and from here you can again take the video. So from here you can tag people or add topics or rename your audio or add location, add reminder, or you can also share this to your Facebook, and you can simply tap on share and your reel will be shared. So that's it. You can add as many as videos as you like, but they need to be not more than 2 or 3 minutes. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.